Believe it or not, this isn't a dryer sheet. It's actually laundry detergent. It's dehydrated into sheet form and still gives the same powerful clean I need. Regular plastic detergent jugs are a huge problem for the planet. They're also made with 20+ chemicals and create a mess. It can also be up to 90% water. Why would you pay so much for that? These sheets dissolve in the water inside your machine. With zero plastic packaging, it's all biodegradable. These sheets are way more affordable than other eco-friendly options. So you can save the planet while you save money. I get mine delivered. They come right to my door so I can stay safely inside. And since they weigh 95% less than the traditional detergent, they help cut out carbon emissions dramatically. An awesome vegan and cruelty-free option. With all these benefits, there's no reason not to switch. I'm never going back to old, bulky detergent jugs. What are you waiting for? Try them today.